And in this video we will show you our experience in the city square. Seryoja, hello! This is walking street with support of Korean government.
Yeah, that's like one of the best massages I've ever gotten.
So guys, come on, Vietnamese things and here. Come on, come on. Yeah. And now we are on the river Perfume, and we will show you our experience of today's here. And we are preparing the second video about the road trip on the bus from Da Nang or on the train, which will be better. So yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go from Da Nang on the bus, and from Da Nang to Hue, and from Hue to Da Nang on railroad.
Yeah, because
so
we want
interesting
to check all roads,
yes.
Which is better. So be with us.
So the name of this river is Perfume River. I'm not sure. Maybe it smells good. I hope it smells good.
It's funny. Seryoja, I think that we should have a sign on our face. No, thank you. For all vendors here.
Vietnamese people, they don't take no for an answer, and I'm not sure if this is like the cultural thing, but they come off very rude. At least for us, for Westerners.
Yeah.
When you tell someone no, and they're like, yes. What about now? No. What about now? No. What about now? Look here. No. Now. Yeah, it's very annoying.
It's a Starbucks restaurant. With a very interesting building on this river.
Mình vừa nãy vừa đi, mình vừa nãy đứng hai phía.
Oh, Seryoja, look, very nice architecture. Very beautiful. We have a green light. Are you happy crossing the roads in Vietnam?
I like the country in general, but once you cross a street, you're like, what the hell? Like,
For example, we have a green color.
But they expect you.
Look at this. How is possible?
I guess they expect you not to cross. I don't know what the logic here. It's very disrespectful to locals, as I've seen when a lady with a baby and a carrier would cross the street, and local drivers, they would just keep driving. You're like, what the hell? No, like, it's not like it's a tourist crossing. It's one of yours. Respect yourself. Like,
A baby should have a bike.
Definitely.
Private bike. And I want to share with you information about the hotel that we booked in Hue. It's in the middle of the ancient city and near the citadel and not far from restaurants, so check this. There is our room. Nice colors, rather cute. Seryoja here. It's usually not included. Not included. So there is a fridge, some stuff for lunch. It's good. Nice view on the river. There is air condition. We didn't find safe, unfortunately, but there is a good space for luggage and a nice area in bathroom. But it's funny because you can take a bath, a shower near the toilet, and and there is a Window. Serежа, hello. So, let's go to the city.
Yeah, vámonos.
Can you imagine that just one vendor asked us about some excursion, not ask, he tried to sell us. And I told him, no thanks, like, come on, Vietnamese thanks, and he, come on. Like,
They're very nice people, somewhere deep inside.
yeah,
Very, very deep.
yeah, it's ridiculous for me.
They smile, but once they figure out that they can't get anything from you, they like, the smile goes like this, and they're like, yeah. And they start mocking you.
So, Seroj, tomorrow we should come inside?
Oh, it's very pretty.
Yes.
The style, monks.
I really like this place. So it's so huge. And we will explore everything tomorrow. And what is the price?
200,000, so it's like $8.
Another plus for coming here for a few days is to have opportunity to check the city in the night. Seroj, do you hear the frogs? And now I hear not only frogs, but mostly cicadas. Oh my god, so amazing atmosphere here. Oh, wow. Guys, do you hear this? Put like, put like and write in comments. Do you hear this sound? Oh my god. It's 6:30 and it's unbelievable how to hot outside. Look at our
Look at my
faces.
face. Yeah.
And we are in here for like walking for 30 minutes, but I can't imagine what will be tomorrow. And there are no taxi, right?
No taxis here. Well, normal taxis. I guess we'll have to catch maybe scooters.
But no Grab?
In this case.
Uh,
Yeah, it's weird. They have a Grab here, but it shows as taxi. And I don't see too many Grab cars. Yeah, very weird.
So we finally take a bike and go into the rooftop. also here. Hi. And this is famous walking street in this city, �𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻.
Where you from?
Montenegro.
Hello.
Best country to be from is Montenegro because nobody knows where it is and where it is.
We are stopping asking questions when we are saying that we are from Montenegro.
На ютубе.
Вот, this is it. Sergio, let's go. Try another walking street in 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻.
Vamos, mi amor.
This is walking street with support of Korean government. Yes. This is this place. And we found very nice place for relaxing, listening music, enjoying the city. And yeah, it's a birthday party of �𝐶𝐻𝐻𝐻, so birthday boy. Congratulations. So it's Tuesday. Let's check what do they have inside. And guys, if you are looking a good massage in 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻, we just checked this place and it's really good. They made with us that nobody did with us before. Yes?
Yeah, that's like one of the best massages I ever gotten.
Uh-huh.
You always get massages in Asia.
And the
This
price?
The prices is okay.
It's around
Like it's $8
$8.
for an hour,
Uh-huh.
but she went above and beyond.
Yeah.
Like, high quality,
Yes.
very good massage with everything, like you know, professional one. Very nice.
course, for us it's very important to find the best rooftop in the city. So this is the first one, but unfortunately it's closed. Sunrise Lounge. So guys, this is very nice restaurant. I'm happy and we are happy that we are here. Unfortunately, there are no people. Maybe they are waiting you to visit this place. So what is it?
I'm not sure. It has meat and it has
Nuts.
this thing, nuts, and should be tasty.
Happy birthday, sir.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Did you make a wish?
To me, huh?
Did you make a wish?
Yes. Thank you very much. Good morning, guys. Yeah, so today we're going back to Da Nang via train. It's our first time taking a train in Vietnam, so it should be interesting. Yeah, this is right now with Hue train station. It's getting very hot. It's 9:30. It's already starting to sweat, so it should be interesting. And this is the train station. The way it works, apparently, we have to wait. Like, you know, when usually in other countries you get to the railroad tracks and you find your train, but here apparently you have to wait until they're gonna open. Like, here is a waiting area behind this door, and you wait, and then you get to the train, and then you'll see, and we'll see.